How do you go ahead and probate a will if both the executors or personal representatives that are identified in the will have predeceased the person who you want to probate? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer, and today I'd like to ask that question for you because that question was recently asked of me. So, this is what transpired. A grandmother passed away. The grandmother had their two children as executors or personal representatives in the will, and she actually outlived her kids. And so now the next generation comes in and they want to go ahead and probate the will, and now they're concerned because there's nobody who is listed in the will to be named as the personal representative or executor. Hey, got an answer for you. No problem. In the state of Indiana, we have a number of requirements for a personal representative. Any interested person, any person within the family or somebody that might be a beneficiary or in line can go ahead and become the personal representative and be appointed by the court. You can have a professional personal representative, a lawyer or a bank trust department go ahead and become the personal representative as long as you meet the qualifications. You're over the age of 18, you don't have a felony on your record, and you meet some of the other qualifications under the statute. So if you are an interested person in that will, or even if you're not an interested person, but you are a professional, a lawyer, a CPA, a banker, you can go ahead and be appointed the executor or the personal representative. For folks like that, it's always best to get consent for the beneficiaries or heirs under the will, but that can go ahead and get done. So there's no worry. The will's going to have to go through probate anyway because it is a will, and obviously there's property that needs to be probated. So that situation can be handled. However, if the family's not going to get along, then there might be multiple people competing to become the personal representative, and the court will take all the information under advisement, and the court will determine who they will appoint as the personal representative. You have any questions about an Indiana probate matter, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.